The Honor Magic 6 Pro has been out for quite a while now, and if you've been putting off buying this phone, hold on, watch this video because we're going to show you the coolest features in this phone. The first feature is called Magic Portal, which basically allows you to drag content from your screen into certain apps. Go over to your settings page, look for Assistant, and make sure that Magic Portal is turned on. Once you're done, for example, if I want to search what mouse is this, I can drag the content, go over to the right side of the screen, which will bring up this menu, and if I put it into Google Image Search, it basically brings up Google Lens and tells me exactly the information I need. So for example, you can even do things like copying a text from a website. So all you need to do is just highlight the text, press and hold on the text, go over to the right side of the screen and drop it into your typed notes, and you can see it appears immediately on your Notes app. You can also post images onto your social media platforms using this feature as well. I can press and hold on the image, drag it over to the right side, look at Instagram, and you can see it opens up this menu. So not only can you transfer an image into your Instagram from the gallery, you also can transfer it from WhatsApp. For this example, we are transferring this capybara into our Instagram feeds, and if you can see for yourself, it's already there, ready for us to post. Not only does this work with text, it also works with an address. So say for example, someone is sending you a long address, and instead of copying it, opening up Google Maps, you can just drag the address to the Magic Portal, drop it into Google Maps, and as you can see for yourself, you're already on your way to your destination. I think personally for me, the best things to come out from this feature is the ability to copy text and drop them directly into your email app as well. You can skip the steps of copying and even attaching files to your email. Now the next feature is called Smart Folder, and this is a pretty interesting feature because it expands on a feature that is already in Android. Now usually when you press and hold on certain apps, it kind of gives you this context menu, but Honor has made a very impressive improvement on this feature because if you realize, the icon has the scaling symbols thingies, which when you pull on it, it basically extends that context menu into its own individual icons. Now, you can use this feature with almost any app that has this context menu. For example, if I have Google Maps over here, now Google Map also has a context menu, but tapping and holding is an extra step, right? So why not I just drag this part out and the context menu is there already for me to use. So you can do this with many different types of apps that have the context menu. Now, most of you know that the Google's apps can do this, but other apps that a lot of you frequently use can use this feature as well, just as long as they have the context menu. Now, I really like that Honor has implemented this feature into the Magic 6 Pro because it takes upon a feature that already exists in Android and makes it even better. Now, the next feature, and it's a pretty small feature, but I think it's a feature that a lot of y'all have seen before. It's called Magic Capsule. What Magic Capsule is basically allowing you to look at notifications without you actually entering into the app. So say here, I have Spotify turned on. Now, if I want to change music, I need to get back into the Spotify app or pull down the notification menu, which means that I will be blocking whatever that I'm looking at on my screen. For example, I'm playing music here and I'm out back on my screen. As you can see, the capsule kind of changes into this music waveform thing, where when I press on it, I actually get the controls of my Spotify, allowing me to pause music or skip to the next track. If you look at the clock app and I'm going for a timer, if I press the start button, and I get out of the screen, you can still see the timer running up here and I can press it to give me more context. It also shows you the other apps that you have active and they park them within the capsule itself. Next is Honor's ecosystem, and its ecosystem has gotten really good over the past few years. Now, one of the features that we have here is network share. So say for example, you're at a cafe and there is no Wi-Fi, but your phone has data. You can share over the internet connection from your phone over to your tablet. It's basically just pull down and look at your Wi-Fi connection and you can see that the Honor Magic 6 Pro is available for you to connect. Press on it and done. You're already sharing the internet connection from your phone to the tablet. Now, there are also other features. For example, you can answer a phone call on your tablet rather than your phone, just in case you don't know where the phone is. Hello, Sita. Have you eaten lunch yet, Sita?
Yes, we ate together.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, right. Makes sense. Another very cool feature is Multiscreen Collaboration. And to activate this feature, all you need to do is just use 3 fingers, slide up on the phone. You will get this menu. All you need to do is drag the screen sharing word over onto the Honor Pad 9. And as you can see here, it's already doing a mirroring thing, which is very cool because you can control the phone now using the tablet, or if you want to just control it back on your phone, you can do that as well. The other cool part is that if I want to transfer certain images or even text or even documents, all I need to do is just click on it and drag it over to the tablet. From that, it's transferring the file and voila, the picture is already on the tablet. Now obviously we cannot forget about the camera features on this phone, especially the Honor Tele Falcon camera, which allows you to take fast-moving objects without any motion blur. Using the AI built into the phone, it enhances the accuracy of the camera system, and that's why you can get shots like this. As for parents, well, this is something that you might like, especially if you like taking pictures of your toddlers. The AI motion sensing auto capture also allows the phone to automatically take pictures without you pressing the shutter button. It detects the subject when it smiles and immediately takes a picture for you so you can focus on making a child smile rather than handling the phone at the same time. So guys, there you have it. Those are some of the coolest features that I have found on the Magic 6 Pro. So if you're still thinking whether you want to get this phone, I think that it's definitely worth it with the amount of features that it has, and especially the ecosystem around the phone and the tablet. Very cool systems. Definitely check this out. We might have some links in the description below. Check that out as well. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video.